Hi there, it's the middle of winter. It's Spencer, again, in his car, because I spend a lot of time in my car, for some reason, I don't know. But I thought I would give you an updated car tour, because I recently just gave it a little bit of a makeover, so, yeah, enjoy. The front is pretty much all the same, same stickers, same cat. Here's just stuff that I brought into my car today. I usually go in the side door there, but I think I'm gonna use the trunk this time. So, not exactly van life, but, it's something. So yeah, I kind of have my car set up as this little chill smoke spot. Here's my sun catcher that I only put up when I'm not driving. And there's this little rainbow bag that my mom got me from IKEA like last week, and I thought it was really cute, and I thought maybe it could come in handy. In here there's my little car ashtray and this cute little lamp because the ceiling light in my car does not work anymore and I'm waiting to fix it. I have this big sleeping bag laid down over some yoga mats for a little bit of cushion, and I got Pokemon blanket, Minecraft pillow, and this cute Five Below pillow. The Minecraft one's also from Five Below. But yeah. I also have this little tray table that can attach to my steering wheel, but I also use it back here as just some place to balance stuff, and it can go right in the pocket there. So yeah, that was my car tour recap. Hope you enjoyed.
Okay, so I'm feeling like I took a bit to see.
So we got my bed, the tapestry that covers the window that is now sealed, hamster cage on my old desk which has stickers on it, vector space and my bedside table, Furby shelf, TV, various things, my altar, jewelry box, candle, my fan, Gravity Falls poster that my shitty ex-boyfriend gave me, but I love Gravity Falls, so it's okay. Hats, Kigurumi that my hamster destroyed, vest that doesn't fit me, Game Boy Advance stuff, camera, backpack, all of my clothes because I'm too depressed to put my clothes away, desk that usually has my computer, but I always use my computer on my bed because I'm lazy.
Weather, waiting for the sun, but it's not getting better.